Boy's Kitchen. I want to bring to you and show you this is snowstorm March 2024 in upstate New York, Schenectady. The winter storm has dumped over a foot of snow in upstate New York, and this is all ice. The snow has become solid ice right now, as you can see. And this is the storm, the snowstorm of 2024. As guys are digging out their car, it's over a foot of snow that fell, right, brother? Yeah, man, and who would believe it? This is March. This is springtime in upstate New York, and that's how snow it is. Everything becomes ice here now, folks. So it is set to be springtime. It's the second day of spring. Instead of spring, got snowfall has dumped this amount of snow. So Schenectady is once again covered down with over a foot of snow in the month of March 2024. Supposed to be springtime at this time, but hey, it's a late winter storm that came in. As you can see, all those wires are covered with ice, which is very treacherous. The street is all icy right now. Looks kind of a glassy. The trees are all shining with ice. That's because it's so cold that the ice became water and freezes. See, that's the tree right there, covered with all ice. Alright, so the snow fell, it fell into rain, then it was sleet. Sleet is ice, cold, very cold rain that came down as slight ice, then it frozen, and then snow fell on top of it, and that's how it became, sitting on the tree. Very dangerous right now. The roadways, not a good day to be on the outside in Schenectady at this time. And the temperature right now is below freezing. It's 26 degrees at this time. See the effect of the ice sitting on the trees, kind of making glassy. So when you notice the tree is white, there's no such thing as a white tree. It just means ice is sitting on those branches. Right there. That's all ice. Covered down with a foot of snow in Schenectady for March 2024 springtime. When it says Schenectady, this is the entire upstate region. Albany Tri, Saratoga Springs, and the Upper Glen Falls, which has snowed even more. Accumulation over near 2 feet, yeah. Looks like a forest of snow, right? Of ice. Now this is what the icicle look like. It sits like icicle on these limbs, and these are dangerous when let's say on those lines there, the electrical line. When this melts, it's gonna fall down like an icicle, a big chunk, which is very dangerous if you walk underneath, and then this they're gonna fall on you. Solid ice. All right, so very treacherous right now. So this is a icicle right here on this tree here, you see? Yeah, solid ice. Snowstorm 2024. Over a foot of snow, folks, in March. It's piles and piles of snow right here. It's like a winter wonderland in March 2024 in upstate New York, Schenectady, Albany, Troy, Saratoga, Clifton Park, the upstate region. Looks like no springtime soon. As people are digging out, from their driveway, from the yard, they're digging out from the snow. But now I must show you, look at the road, it's all icy, frozen. Yeah, it should have been springtime, right?
Right.
But ain't no spring around the corner with this snow that fell over a foot, right?
Tomorrow. It's going to be 60 degrees tomorrow.
Yeah, let's hope it melts out a little bit. All right, brother.
All right, man.
Well, the gentleman said 60 degrees maybe the next day, tomorrow. Who knows? Maybe not, maybe yes. See another gentleman digging up the snow? Right there. And this is how he digs the snow. I know you're tired, brother. It should have been springtime right now.
Yeah, you know.
Yeah, man.
You got early spring in March, man.
Early spring in March. But it's late winter in March too, right?
Yeah.
In the spring. That's over a foot of snow dumped in Schenectady, New York. Yeah. Say hi to everybody, man.
Hi.
Tell them this is part of upstate life.
Yes.
Yeah. All right.
All right. Hi to everybody. This is Schenectady, New York. And this is what we have in March. We have a lot of snow in March instead spring.
Instead of spring, we got lots of snow.
Yeah.
A message to everyone. So don't feel bad. You are in good climate in South America right now.
Yes, I know.
We are freezing in North America. All right, brother.
All right.
What's your name, man?
Dave.
Mr. Dave, okay, from Guyana, right?
Yeah.
All right. You're on Jim Boy's Kitchen, man.
Yes, you too.
All right, brother.
Yeah.
So, that's, as the gentleman said, Mr. Dave from Guyana, that's part of Schenectady, or upstate New York. See this gentleman digging up all the snow up there? Too much snow to dig, man, yeah. Lots of snow. Yep. And this is another way of cleaning the snow, as the gentleman is plowing the snow right now. Look at that. Not good for springtime. It's not springtime anymore. Yeah. Yeah, that's in upstate New York. As the snow fell, over a foot of snow from March 2024, should have been winter, springtime. It's part of the activity trying to clean that snow. And if I tell you folks, it's not an easy task trying to clean the snow. You got to make sure you bundle up. It's pretty cold outside, and got to be careful. You got to be careful, and of course, you know, I know many people has fallen down with a heart attack cleaning snow. So you got to be very careful whenever you're shoveling this heavy snow. It's not only snow; it's ice. Way up ahead, more snow cleaning going on there. Very treacherous at this time. All ice. Everyone is shoveling. See the gentleman shoveling up the snow. Looks like you're gonna move back to South America, right? Right? Can't believe it's springtime and we got winter-like weather. Over a foot of snow dumped, you know that, right? Yeah, so you're showing the people them in South America how you do instead of clay mud, you gotta shovel ice, boy. Right? Yeah, man. All right, brother. Take it easy, man. All right. So this is how they shovel snow, folks. And it's very icy right now. Lots of snow that has been dumped. Nice walkway has been cleared off nicely, yeah. Papi! Right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Show them how you do snow, man.
You're on TikTok?
Huh?
You're on TikTok? Hey, it's good. It's a blessing.
Exercising, right?
Right.
Good exercise for the snow.
Yeah, burn up some calories.
But it should have been springtime right now.
It is springtime, but this is Mother Nature's last hurrah for winter.
Okay.
You got it?
And we got a big snowstorm for that.
No, it's not a big storm. It's
All right.
a normal storm.
Say hello to you boys in South America, man.
Oh, Guyana?
Yeah.
All right. In India, keep on trucking.
Keep on trucking. All right, brother.
Adios.
All right, very delighted to bring to you and show you how the snowstorm has dumped over a foot of snow in upstate New York, Schenectady, Albany, Troy, Saratoga, Clifton Park, and much of the upstate region. Late snowstorm in springtime, March 2024. As many are digging out in this snowstorm. Let's don't say winter storm. Snowstorm for the year 2024, right? March 2024. Many are digging out right now. And this is the Central Park. As the snow has dumped so much of snow, makes it look so different, right? Yeah. Got some ducks cooling off in the cold water. And ducks are known for being in the cold water, you know, with all the snow that fell. This is the Central Park of Schenectady, New York, which is all snowed in right now. See the ducks? So this is where the ducks take over the park in the winter time, because there's no much humans that will tend to come to the park at this time. Beautiful ducks, right? And the water has melted. This was all ice, but the temperature is going to rise as the sky is all blue at this time. Blue skies. That's Mother Nature, those ducks, eh? Or the sound of them. One of them did a nice somersault just now. There he is. They're doing somersaults. Nice. Nice, beautiful ducks. Yeah. And enjoying the cold water. You see the icicle on the trees. It's all solid ice. So let them enjoy themselves. Very cold at this time. It's about 21 degrees as the sun is peeking out, and is going to get up to like 31 degrees today. They're kind of going down for the fishes. See? And the weeds under the water. Looking for food. Oh yeah. Until the next one, folks, Jim Boy's Kitchen in Central Park, Schenectady, New York, Upstate. I'm going to bring to you and show you the late winter storm that dumped over a foot of snow in Schenectady, New York, Albany, in the Upstate region in early spring. Looks like a postcard, right? Kind of like a postcard, but this is reality, folks, where the storm has taken a toll in Upstate region. This is the downtown area in Schenectady, and of course looks doomed, right? With this snow accumulation. Jim Boy's Kitchen saying once again, be kind to someone that's not kind to you. Kindness will always prevail. Hope you did enjoy this segment with the snows fall for 2024, March 2024. Yeah! Snowstorm 2024. Oh man, excited to be in Dubois' kitchen. So nice of him. And many people are trying to walk through the snow. But this is part of what's happening, you know. Yeah. Got to be careful. It's all icy on the roadways. People are trying to clean their cars down. Now for this weather, winter weather, I just want to make a salad. And this goes well. This is going to keep you warm and healthy for whenever you live in the North America. Just want to cut up some tomato. I want to show you a fast, healthy salad that you could make to keep energetic for the cold season. All your preference, what you want to put in your salad. I love to have this wonderful tomato. Some nice plum tomato. One is fine. Get a nice half a cucumber or cucumber, whatever you want to call it. You could slice it up like this. It makes a wonderful salad. Healthy, energetic. And this is very healthy for, let's say, you live in the Arctic here. Or not even that, a warm climate. This is very good to keep you energetic for the day. Look at that. A nice blend. You could add whatever you want to put inside. Got a piece of lettuce. Don't have to be fancy. Okay, all you want to do is get the leaf inside of this wonderful salad here. And that's about it. You could add some onion. You could add anything you want. Show you how to make a fast salad to keep you energetic in a cold winter time or even a hot weather, right? This is very good. It hydrates your body. Now you could put whatever season you want inside. You could put Italian dressing, whatever dressing you want, or ranch dressing. All right, got some Italian dressing here. Want to put a few. Put a drop of it. You could use actually any kind of a dressing you want. All right, any amount you want to put ranch, Italian, whatever you want. Cottage cheese inside. Mix it up. At this point, you don't need to put salt because these dressings carry their own kind of a flavor. You don't want to interfere with the flavor, right? Look at that beautiful dressing. Delicious. For weather like that, you could make a fast snack salad. A simple lettuce, tomato, cucumber, whatever you want to add inside, some onion, whatever you want to do. Put some ranch or Italian dressing, goes well, give you it's very energetic food. A dessert, not a dessert, a dessert for the occasion, for the weather. I hope you did like the segment and you have seen, was delighted to bring to you sceneries of Schenectady about the March 24th snowstorm. And to all you wonderful people that have reached, greetings to you. All right, and many were happy to be in Jim Boy's kitchen. They were happy to see me, and it's a great pleasure. Until the next one, folks, I hope you did enjoy what you see. Jim Boy's kitchen will come to you again on another segment. In the meantime, once again, be kind to someone who's not kind to you, and kindness will always prevail, especially when you eat a salad like this. Make it my way, you love it. Until the next one, Jim Boy's Kitchen saying, adios, mi amigos, and goodbye, everybody.